Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to install your car seat adapter and install the car seat on your Toy Caboose stroller. Okay, first things first, you're going to want to remove your tray. Remember the little tab underneath, you squeeze, you pull, tray removed. Then you're going to take your car seat adapter, which remember you store it under the basket, and you're going to want it kind of facing going up, and you're just going to install it just like you did the tray, and you will remove it just like you do the tray too. You'll want to put the seat all the way back, and then you'll just nuzzle your little car seat in. You have little restraint straps here in the little pockets. Pull them out. Okay, and then you'll take your straps, you'll pull them over the car seat, connect them like this, and now your car seat is nice and secure. Remember, you can find all our Joovy toys on Joovy.com, of course, Amazon, Target, Walmart, Bye Bye Baby, and Babylist. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, like our video, and we welcome any comments in the comment section.